All right, so here is my current conundrum. So I'm making the course. Everyone knows that I'm making the course that follow me called SQL Server Hyperfocus, and it really is a whole bunch of distilled questions you need to know for the SQL Server technical interview and for SQL Server in general, just basic stuff. So here we go. We have this is Gemini, but the tool that I'll be talking about is ChatGPT. You get the idea. They're all LLMs are all the same. So we've got an LLM, the large language model. So, and ChatGPT right now it's the only one that has this, right? So it's ChatGPT, and it has the ability to create what are called GPTs. These are individual. So I could go ahead and create the course, just like I would, and the same thing will happen. 95% of you won't finish it. That's the actual number. The number for like all the courses in the real world. Like if you look at Udemy, you look at it doesn't matter what platform you look at. The conclusion rate or the success rate uh, for those who finish it is like 4%. Isn't that crazy? All right, so I'm not a big fan of the. I think the traditional course is gone, and now we're moving on to more sophisticated ways to help you learn. And I think this is one of them. So the only reason I'm asking is because of the money. Now, if the money here wasn't an issue, I wouldn't be asking. This is the way I would do it. So I could create my own, and it would be Hyperfocus SQL Server, Hyperfocus GPT. And what that allow you to do is it interacts with what I tell it. So I upload all of my documents. So when it says what is SQL, like you'll this is fantastic. So what's a database? It won't give you whatever Gemini thinks. It'll give you my answer, which is the right answer. Am I saying that Gemini is wrong? Yeah, I am. I know the database is well defined. We know what it is. A database is a container for objects. That's all it is. You're thinking, well, what's that really buy you? Well, it buys you the ability to interact basically with the course and with me. So let's say you come down here and you say, uh, list day one. Let's just call it slides for now. I won't call it slides, but slides. So those are going to be the first, uh, say, 5 pages of notes. 5 pages of notes you'll need for learning SQL Server, right? And this may be the first page. I mean, this isn't bad right here. This is obviously you can see this is a simple question I asked Gemini, but this would be based on me, right? I would define all this. So it would give you the first day one. However, I define day one, it would give you a list of all that, and then it would allow you to interact with that list. Now, the great thing about this is its interactivity. You could ask it, can you give me a list of questions from day one? And it would give you questions and you would answer, right? It's a great way to help you learn with you interacting and not watching it like a movie. So, one of the biggest problems today with people taking courses is the movie syndrome. They take a course like they watch movies, and that doesn't help for shit. Right? A course that you take, any course, especially some of the ones I have, like my statistics courses and especially my data cleansing course. I mean, we're talking that was written on a book that's 3 books I used to write that. That's a 300 to 400 pages. So how many notes do you have on that? Well, at least 150. That bypasses this. You don't have to take 150 pages of notes. You will still learn it. Okay, so you get the idea. This is fantastic. I couldn't believe this that I could do this. It was just fantastic. The bad part. Here's the bad part. I have to pay more, right? So yeah. So what? I pay $20 a month. I have to pay to be able to create my own custom GPTs. Yeah, great. Well, guess what? In order for you to view my custom GPTs, you must also pay the $20 a month, which is that bullshit. So you guys should write to ChatGPT and say, "Hey, listen, this is nonsense. You should charge him more. I'm willing to pay. I'm willing to, if I'm the one creating it and then I can profit from it, I'm willing to pay $100 a month. Charge me $100 a month. I'm fine with that, right? And then charge over here zero, right? You guys should pay zero in order to interact with my LLM, right? Charge me up front. I'll pay for all the users, but so far they're not budging on that. They're making you pay. So what that means is that I would make a lot less money, which I'm okay with, right? Because your guys are going to help me. You're helping with the newsletter. You're going to put that link everywhere that you can and help me expand the newsletter. And I can monetize the newsletter uh, as well as I can my courses. So I'm willing to take less money here. I have no problem doing that. So I might charge for the entire hyper-focus course. I might only charge $40. One time, $40, you're done. But then you're going to have to pay $20 a month. Now, you get a premium LLM also. ChatGPT's premium is sweet. I mean, it's anyway. You tell me. Well, the first thing you do is you need to go sign up for the newsletter if you're not signed up, and then you tell me, would you be willing to pay ChatGPT a little more and me a little less? All right. I'm hoping so because this will be a little more work for me. All right. Enough rambling. Go sign up for my newsletter. Tell me what you think. Uh, Is this a no or a yes? Now, just because you say no doesn't mean I'm not going to do it. I mean, I'm still leaning heavily towards doing it. But I would like your input.